In this video, I will be showing you how to find YouTube channel ID. I suggest that you would do this on a web browser rather than your YouTube account or application. The first thing to do is to click your web browser here and then kindly search for YouTube account. And once it appears, kindly click the first one here. So when you click the sign in, it will take you directly into another page where you can see your account settings. Under settings, there are some choices here. So scroll down and kind of look for advanced settings. Click this one. And here you can see this part, your user ID and your channel ID. So feel free to copy and paste it somewhere in your social media platforms. And after that, you can go back to your YouTube account and explore. And if you find this video informative, give it a thumbs up. See you in the next video.